Welcome back, Electric Family. Today I'm just gonna have a short video because well, we can't ride out today. The weather is really bad, so just wanted to show you guys the new seat and my new graphics on the battery. I vinyl wrapped it, and I think it looks really good. And put a little decal on there to give it that extra vintage look. This is the new seat by Hippo Fighter 16 on eBay. It's a really nice seat. It's a lot more comfortable than the other one. I like the look of the Cafe Racer, but this one is just more comfortable. All right, and here's the extra video too. An extra bike, excuse me. More on this one later. I just got this yesterday, and it's amazing. It's like a motorcycle. It really is. I haven't done anything to it. This is the way that it comes. So we'll talk about that later. But more on this one and more on the battery install, okay, later, because I don't have time to take everything off right now and reinstall it. So we'll have to come back to that. All right. So here's your eye candy. Enjoy. And I'll see you guys on the next video when I do the battery.